Here we have the 2022, or basically exactly the same if you're looking at a 2023 Toyota Tacoma. This is the TRD Off-Road Double Cab with the TRD Off-Road Premium package. It also has the Heritage front grille, which is part of the TRD lift that's in this one, which gives you that additional shocks and height. Now they also put on this one the TRD Pro Rims with the BF Goodrich TA Ko2s, the black Tacoma badges there, and in the back you got the black badging with the Tacoma and the tailgate like that as well, and the Predator side steps, which is also a Toyota accessory here too. A lot of it used to be aftermarket, but I think they've partnered with a lot of companies. Now you get the soft touch dash on the passenger side, chrome inner handles. It's got the leather seats with sort of that square pattern texture. Has the sunroof up top. They are heated seats, controlled just from right in here. In the back, these do come standard with tint on the rear windows. All the doors come with the bottle holders. You get the full leather seats like that. Now if you pull up from the base, you're gonna have these little slots here. Basically what that is, you take your headrest off, which you do just push on the side panels there. You take it, tuck them into here, and when you grab the middle one as well, you can take this strap, push the seat down, and then you do have that storage in behind. It's got the nice flat surface if you have to load in tools or anything like that. Flip it back up. Now, good advice, tuck these into the pockets here. And the reason being is when you flip this back down, those aren't underneath. You get your storage and tools just down below in here. And more storage on that side, of course. And in the back, it's got the nice caps on the top so you don't scratch the box hitting something on top. Hard composite bed, no steel bed, just like it was before. You do get the soft drop tailgate, which originally started in the Tundras. You get the power outlet in the box, storage on the side here. You get your D-rings, or sorry, not D-rings, they're the tie downs. They slide in just by popping these off, and then you tighten them on. Make sure it clicks and tightens it up. You also have the additional D-rings on the side here. And for tying things down, you got the ones on the back here too. One other neat thing you can do, you can put 1x6 or 2x4s across these. And then that way, if you have something like a sheet of plywood, you can make a shelf system on it. You can set that across and slide it on that sort of ledge there. Locking tailgate with available power remote lock. You get the full hitch, 7 and 4 pin wire harness are built in. Down below, temporary, or it's a full size tire with a steel rim. And that's your TRD shocks that you can see there too, that they installed. It's got the rear leaf springs. Driver's side here, so it is push button start. So you do have your key. You can hit lock 3 times. Third time hold it down and it'll start the truck. If you grab behind the handle, doors unlock automatically, or you can touch the top or on the bottom and that'll lock the doors with a time delay too. Now you get the power driver's seat with lumbar support. You can raise and lower under your knees. Whole seat itself goes up and down. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Bed lighting control is here. Automatic high beams. This is your 360 camera. This turns off the traction control. And this is for the power outlet that's actually in the box. Automatic headlights. You get your steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth controls to pick up and hang up there. favorite buttons. If you push and hold that in, it'll set a favorite screen just in your multi-information display. And then you have your radar, cruise control, and lane departure alert. Just warning, not actual turning like some of our other cars, because it has power steering, not electronic. And then your cruise control, which has been in Toyotas for years. So we'll hop in here, push button start, put your foot on the brake. Now a couple things, so it is dual climate control. So you can adjust that, hit automatic, your fan speed and everything will happen by themselves. You get the Qi wireless charging pad just here, that turns that on. So it'll charge your phone wirelessly. It's a power sliding rear window. Really cool. And then you do get the navigation system, which has your full control for projection for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, fuel economy, traffic, weather. You can hit the apps and stuff don't really do a lot because we have the Toyota N-Form system built in now. And then destination, turn your music and audio, AM, FM, CD, Bluetooth are standard. And then there are a few settings in here that you can change to in the setup section. Changing your clock, home screen, update the software. That stuff's pretty straightforward. In the middle here, in the information display, you can go through that as well, which is controlled by this. So you can go down, it's got your average fuel economy, time until rest. As you go over though, you'll have this section here. So this is gonna show basically your roll and pitch for when you're off-roading. Your lane departure alerts in that section, whatever your tire pressures are at, warnings, and then you can adjust all your pre-collision system and accent displays and everything in there too. Other than that, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive, so you can go from 2 to 4 up to 80 kilometers, maybe 100 kilometers an hour. Heated mirrors, electronic control throttle here. Blind spot monitoring can be turned on and off. And then up top here, you'll have your multi-terrain select, as well as your crawl control. Now this is like a slow speed cruise control. So you set your speed, hit that, it'll sound like something's grinding, but it's actually your anti-lock brakes keeping you from over accelerating either down or up the hill really quickly. And then you have your rear differential lock, SOS to call for roadside assistance, and then your sunroof controls are there. So if you have any questions, garage door openers, if you have any questions, let me know, comment below, and I can definitely help you out. But this is Mike Linterman here at Lexus South Point. If you can comment, hit like and subscribe, that helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.